We know applying to graduate school can be overwhelming. When it comes to writing a personal statement, students often think, what is a personal statement, and where do I begin? While every personal statement is different, there are some basic do's and don'ts you should always follow. A personal statement is an essay required for most graduate degrees at Arizona State University. This is your chance to shine and show off your unique experiences, education, and personality. Before writing, it's important to have a good understanding of the program you're applying to, ensuring it aligns with your career goals and aspirations. You also want to make sure what you plan to write adheres to the specific directions. When writing, be honest, sincere, and concise. Your personal statement should begin with a compelling sentence or anecdote. It's often helpful to start with an outline and build out from there. You may be tempted to write your personal statement in one sitting, but it's important to fight that urge. Make time for breaks and let your mind rest. That way you won't feel rushed and you'll be less likely to make errors. When choosing a topic, don't be too broad. Hone in on a few key points, state what you hope to achieve in the program, and outline your postgraduate goals. Use your personal statement to showcase how your experiences help you meet the degree requirements. Write in your own voice and add details that the review committee won't be able to see from your GPA or educational experience. If you don't meet a specific graduate degree requirement, use this as an opportunity to explain your situation and speak to how you've learned from your experiences. Doing this communicates that you can still be successful in a graduate program despite any challenges you've faced in the past. Personal statements vary in length, so you'll want to check the specific requirements for the program you're applying to. It's important that you abide by these requirements, as colleges often use them to make sure students can adequately follow directions. The closing of your personal statement should tie everything together. Many people do this by making a reference to their opening. Once you've finished writing, remember to proofread and proofread again. Correct spelling and grammar go a long way. We hope these do's and don'ts answer your questions about writing a personal statement. Now, go forth and create an inspired piece.